Hi, my name is Muhammad Asad Khalil, and my student ID is 22075052, and I'm going to present my presentation on Samsung Electronics. This slide presents an overview of Samsung current situation and strategic direction in semiconductor. Samsung memory unit is currently struggling with profitability. In quarter number 2, it generated only 0.4 trillion in operating profit from 27.9 trillion KRW in revenue, which indicate very thin margin. At the same time, Samsung HBM market share peaked at around 75%, which has led to pressure on cash flow, particularly affecting the DX division. Because of this, Samsung key objective is to restore profitability while reinforcing its leadership in the semiconductor industry. To achieve this, the company is shifting its market focus toward AI chip makers and server OEMs who require high bandwidth memory that closely matches real AI workload demand. Samsung does not need to compete through traditional differentiation in this industry, which is highly competitive and capital intensive. Instead, it leverages its large scale manufacturing capability and its combined memory and advanced packaging solutions. From a financial perspective, Samsung is prioritizing high margin HBM products and strict working capital management, which are expected to improve operating margin, increase return, and normalize cash flow over the time. Moving on the product and services. Samsung offer a strong portfolio of advanced memory solutions. These include DRAM and high bandwidth memory, such as HBM3E, along with advanced packaging technology like a cube, which is 2.5 dimension solution, and X-Cube, which usually uses three-dimensional hybrid bonding as shown in figure number 1. These products are specially designed to address key challenges in AI data centers, including bandwidth limitations, performance gap, and system integration issues, as illustrated in figure number 2. AI workload require extremely fast data transfer between logic chips and memory. Samsung solutions are optimized for these demands. Samsung proprietary technologies such as three-dimensional hybrid bonding and 2.5-dimensional silicon interposer enable high bandwidth and low power HBM logic, which is critical for AI efficiency. In terms of commercialization, Samsung sell these products through B2B value-based pricing and long-term contracts, ensuring stable revenue stream while maximizing profitability in premium AI memory segment. Now we are on slide number 4, which is marketing plan. Samsung marketing approach focuses on capturing the rapid growth of AI servers, where demand for high performance service memory is increasing significantly. Although the semiconductor industry may appear to have low entry barrier, in reality, it requires extremely high capital investment and advanced intellectual property, which protect established players like Samsung because AI technology evolve very quickly. Accurate supply alignment is essential to meet customer expectations and avoid mismatches between demand and production. Samsung's HBM products combined with X-Cube and iCube packaging deliver high bandwidth and low power consumption, covering the most critical performance requirement for AI workload. The main target customers are AI chip makers and server OEMs, while the key competitors are other large global memory producers. This competitive environment limits opportunities for price-based differentiation. Therefore, Samsung positions itself as a full-stack memory plus packaging partner, reducing integration risk for customer as shown in figure number 3. Promotion is based on reference design and co-development, allowing close collaboration with customers. Pricing follows a value-based B2B approach driven by HPM performance, as shown in figure number 4. Operationally, production is centered in Korea with global reporting structure and products are sold directly through long-term B2B contracts, as shown in figure number 5. Financial plan. In the first 9 months of 2025, Samsung generated 239.8 trillion KRW in revenue, showing strong top-line growth. However, profitability declined due to rising operating expenses, according to the appendix ratio table. Gross margin fell from 38.1% to 36.3%. Operating margin declined from 11.7% to 9.8%, and the net margin decreased to 10.7%. Despite these margin pressures, Samsung maintained strong liquidity, working capital efficiency improved, and the current ratio remained high at 2.63, while the quick ratio stood at 2.05, indicating no immediate liquidity risk. However, the key financial challenges remain falling margin and slower cash collection, which put pressure on overall profitability. Addressing this issue is essential to maintain financial stability and to support future strategic investment in AI and advanced semiconductor technologies. Action response. Based on these challenges, it is important for Samsung to continue investing in high margin HBM and AI focused memory products, as these offer better profitability compared to conventional memory products. At the same time, Samsung should accelerate cash collection by tightening credit policies and offering early payment incentives to customers, maintaining a controlled level of inventory, which also help reduce cost and improve efficiency. Together, these measures are expected to improve operating margin, increase return on equity and return on asset, and strengthen overall financial performance. Now we are at slide number 7, which is 3 evidence-based reasons. So, first, the rising demand for AI server is driving strong growth in high bandwidth memory sale, which offer high margin opportunities. Secondly, Samsung has a strong operational and integration risk protection, supported by a 24 by 0.7% global semiconductor market share and its proprietary XQ and IQ technologies. At third, when combined with excellent liquidity, low debt level, and a focused strategy on premium HBM and AI memory, Samsung is well positioned to achieve better margin, improve profitability, and long-term sustainability. These are the references which we have used for the data in above presentation, and these are the figures from which we have taken the data and used in the slides above. These are also the screen clipping of the pictures, and at last you can also see a Samsung Electronics Code 2025 financial data into the ratio form. So that's a ratio table in this one. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation. Thanks.